Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of the Article 370? 1. Article 370 was inserted in the Constitution to provide temporary special status to Jammu and Kashmir. 2. Jammu and Kashmir had its own constitution, separate from the Indian Constitution, before the abrogation of Article 370. 3. Article 35, which provided special privileges to permanent residents of Jammu and Kashmir, was retained. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Statement 1 is correct. Article 370 was indeed inserted into the Constitution as a temporary provision to grant special status to Jammu and Kashmir. Statement 2 is correct. Before the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, Jammu and Kashmir had its own constitution, which was adopted in 1957. This constitution operated alongside the Indian Constitution, and Jammu and Kashmir had a degree of autonomy, especially in matters related to internal governance. Statement 3 is incorrect. Article 35, which give permanent residents of Jammu and Kashmir exclusive rights to property and jobs in the region, was repealed following the abrogation of Article 370 in August 2019. Consider the following with reference to the West Asia. 1. Saudi Arabia has the largest oil reserves globally. 2. Iraq has no significant oil reserves. 3. The Strait of Hormuz is vital for oil shipments globally. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer A. 3 only. Statement 1 is incorrect. Saudi Arabia has the largest proven oil reserves in the world, not the second largest. It holds approximately 18% of the world's total proven oil reserves. Statement 2 is incorrect. Iraq has some of the largest oil reserves in the world, ranking among the top countries with the highest proven oil reserves, second only to Saudi Arabia in the region. Statement 3 is correct. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most crucial waterways for global oil trade, as it connects the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman and is used to transport a significant percentage of the world's oil supply.